Today we're gonna bring a RGB lighting smart bulb, all right? Now this one works with your phone, it works with Alexa, or it works with Google Home. Now, very simple to use. It comes with the actual setup in here. If you guys notice, there's two white cords, but there's a neutral and there's a hot. The hot will be the one with the actual lettering, and the neutral, of course, it's gonna be the actual white one, solid white. Give you the manual and instructions where to get the app, all right? Very important if you wanna mess around with the RGB lighting. They give you 2 screws and a drywall mount. Now, this one is durable, but you could pretty much put it anywhere in your patio, in your garage, in your bathroom, pretty much a lot of places that you can put it in. So we're gonna set this up today on our template wall here, and we're gonna see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So just to let you guys know, all right, the neutral is the regular white, and the black will be actually the connection with the lettering. Or just be aware, don't mess this up, because if you could burn the whole system down. So once we set it up, we're gonna go ahead and change the RGB lighting and mess around with the colors. So let's go ahead and do that. We set it up already. We're gonna go ahead and set up the application, all right? And right now it's trying to find the application. All right, for the application, what you need to do is they give you the extra instructions in here. You put your phone into it, all right? And you could grab the actual information from here. From here, there it is. Go in there, settings. And it's gonna take you directly to the actual applications, all right, directly to it. All right, it took me to the application, so you're gonna have to go to United States and download it. It's gonna take you to the actual Google Play, right? So I already have it. We're just gonna enable it right now. And once we're going to do an update, of course, I haven't used it for quite a while. Now, just remember, if you have an ISO, it will take you to the Apple Store, right? Automatically. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and set it up, set up our account, and then we're going to set this light back. When it starts blinking, it means it's in the search mode and the pairing mode. So just make sure that you pair it prior to setting up. So we're going to go ahead and open it up in the application. Now, one important thing, you need to be at 2.4, all right, 2.4 hertz, all right, not 5.0, 2.4 only. It's gonna work. So let's go ahead and set that up. All right, we're gonna start setting it up. As soon as it starts blinking, we're gonna go ahead and say add, and right now it's gonna add the ceiling light. Automatically found it. Make sure you put your password for your Wi-Fi. Once it starts blinking, it means it's confirming and it's doing updates. And if you guys can see it, smartphone automatically picked up. So we got RGB lighting now connected to the actual ceiling light. So let's go ahead and mess around with it. So we say done now. Once we have done, we got access to control our device. So right now we have it at 100%. We could automatically lower it down, right? We could change the colors to different colors. You guys can see that. We could do the dimmer. This is the dimmer, all right? Different modes. You could add your own mood. All right. So right now we're going to keep it maybe the lowest down. And then we're going to change the zine. All right. So we're going to change it to maybe, we're going to read light. This is a reading mode. Leisure, colorful, gorgeous. Let's turn off the lights in here so you guys can see a little bit better. All right. So I have the application. I have it gorgeous right now. Dazzle. This is Dazzle. I'm just showing you guys some of the Dazzle. Night. So this is pretty much a night. Spring buds. Woo, let's go to the Kung Fu one. What's a Kung Fu one? Kind of like a, I'm not quite sure, but let's go to French style. It's gonna pretty, oh, the US. I like the US. Let's go to the US. And it's gonna show you the red, white, and blue on the US, which is perfect. I like that tone, you know, it's changing different tones. Halloween's coming around the corner. There we have your Halloween. Easter, you know, you have pretty much music. Let's put it some music mode. So on this one, I'm going to start the music, but it's going to actually record from my audio. So test and then while using app, testing 1, 2, 3. So if I say something, it's going to automatically do it. So if you have this in a party and you're having music, it's going to continue playing the music over and over. This is an awesome feature for those that have, like, you could set up 4 or 5 of these throughout the house, and this you can control them from one device. And like I said, change scenes. We're going to change scenes. We're going to go back to night. Let's do the night, and that's pretty much kind of dims down a little bit. Dimmer, go back to the dimmer. We could go 100%. Lighter, lower, lighter. So, and then we could go to settings. So on settings right here, you could do your planning, your schedule, time, or you could just set up different connections, all right? And if you want to set up your Google Home or your actual Alexa, you can do that easily. So when you come home, you can say, Alexa, turn on the light, it'll turn on the light. Google, if you have Google, just say, okay, Google, turn on the light, it'll turn on the light. Kitchen light, or you name it, make sure you specifically give it a name like kitchen light, studio light, and so forth, because it is very accurate, the system. So I like this thing off and on. You could turn off your light here, completely darkness in here. Let me turn it back on. Very easy to set up the actual light bulb. Easy, beautiful light bulb. I hope you guys enjoy the video.